AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 most certainly is as of now at $0.005 in an exceptionally significant manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in an all things considered large way. AMP records especially descending development today, which generally is very critical. 18 September 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts. What especially is truly transient cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP a very wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner, AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is very critical. However, prior to jumping certainly profound into the AMP specialized examination, let us discuss the really current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,081,454,289,783, exhibiting how AMP basically faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, or so they by and large thought. For the most part all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $25,060,241,952, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%. Which in a real sense is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54%, inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP in every practical sense, local coin of XRP really is up by 1. And as of now exchanging at 50 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending heading for truly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a very broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the AMP specialized examination. Explicitly let us fundamentally discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which basically is genuinely huge. Support is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly further appearance, how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, which really is very huge. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants really become most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 is as of now at $0.005, or so they by and large thought. Following are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, showing how AMP records kind of descending development today, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely critical. There sort of are practically 42,227,702,186 are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, or so they generally thought. AMP Value Investigation AMP Cost Examination for 18 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of beneath, showing how AMP support and opposition levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving especially normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the AMP, which generally shows that following truly are the help and opposition levels of AMP, AMP execution. The cost of AMP, basically is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, showing how AMP records sort of descending development today, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. While AMP's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, pretty sign essentially is for the most part conceivable at this reach in an extremely significant manner. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP explicitly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the in every practical sense, recent hours, and especially has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, showing how AMP records truly descending development today, or so they fundamentally thought. AMP financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram, exhibiting how market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783, showing how AMP by and large faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, or so they certainly thought. The primary help level for AMP for the most part is at $0.005, while the fundamentally second one certainly is at $0.004, showing how 18 September 2023. In this video, we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense.